Hi guys!
Hi, magme-makeup lang kami.
Yeah, this is my Insta. So we already started with the foundation. So
We already have concealer. Yay.
great for me.
I got my own iPad. We're just... Yeah. We tried to make
bad. It's not that bad.
Kanina, it's so bad. We tried to make taba squishy, but
Yeah, it didn't work. It's just slime and another thing.
glue.
No. Glue and Vaseline. It didn't work.
They said that
They say it worked.
mga ano na, after
I need to ayos.
mga 6-7 days kami nag-intay. Diba?
Like one week.
Yeah, wala pa rin. Okay, tapos na ako.
Start
Concealer.
with
Or bronzer or concealer.
ito. Ako hindi consider agad ng bronzer.
Which one? This one?
Ako bronzer ano?
Bronzer.
The small brush.
Where's the bronzer?
Use any, the dark or the light. I usually do the dark. Because you know my skin.
I'm just going to do the jawline. Because I want jawline. I want jawline. I want a jawline. I'm going to do jawline. I'm also going to do something else. Yung mga namamadali be like. So I'm just going to do this.
Yung mga Korean makeup be like kung ano, nagbe-blend sila.
True. Ang lakas-lakas na yun. Ayan, may jawline na tayo, guys.
Be, okay lang.
Yeah.
Parang naka-blush ako.
Hindi. Nagiging sa anger na, guys. Ay, may jawline na ako.
Wow.
Pati dito kasi I want to, jawline lang. Kasi jawline. Kasi gusto ko ng jawline.
Okay.
Tapos na ako sa, oh my god. Okay.
I'm gonna do the nose.
Concealer!
You can use it. So, I'm gonna do the nose. Tinitsa ko ni Claire kung paano.
Wow. Ay, o nga ne.
Yung ano, yung...
Be, ang dami!
It's okay.
Diba ito? Oo. Ito.
Okay, babe.
She always puts so much.
Okay. Ganto daw. Ganto tayo dati. Pero ano, may ganun sa gitna.
Ano ganyan?
Oo. Tapos brown. Yeah.
Ang dami yung nilagay.
Siya nga, yung dami. So, gaya-gaya. Ako din eh. So, I'm gonna use this blush. And the color is fresh. Okay, tomato. Tama potato. At sa eyebrows kasi ay ginagawa mo. Pag ginagawa mo pa. Gagawin din. Oh, fuck na rin. Basta ano. Ay, eyebrows ko. Hindi yung eyebrows ko. Wait. Alam ko yun. Di parang ano ako, eyeshadow. Eyeshadow ako din. Show your face. We're done with our hair.
Direct to fan.
But the lighting first. But the lighting first. So while with no braid, she has a braid. I'm the one who like so bye.